minute for the slow class, and we've got guys coming in with speed here. It's really important, as we've seen from that first start, if you don't have full speed at the line, you will be vulnerable. So the guys are coming in with pace. There's plenty of room here. Look, the Sonata can't get up, these guys can't get up, and the Hawk's sailing away. So there's going to be all this space here. 30 seconds. Aim for this line, guys. This is yours. Time and distance. It's all about time and distance, kids. 20 seconds. Wind up. No. Come on up, come on up, come on up, Stevie. Full speed now, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so they got the most speed on, which is good news. Hence going over the top of the other one. Haven't crossed the line yet, anybody? So this is that discussion point where the line is, and first boat's coming up to the line now. That's got to be a good 15 seconds, kids.
That's 23 seconds.
There's 23 seconds, is it?
23 seconds, yes.
So the first boat crossed the line 23 seconds after the gun, which means it's a safe start. But that speed locked in. Main's oversheeted a bit, fellas, for this light stuff, but we weren't working on that, so that's okay. So this is a 4 minute coming up, isn't it?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Interestingly enough,
A
1:05. Okay, so 1:05 seconds, the last boat crossed the start line. Yes, discuss. Okay, so Kirsty's got herself over here. Billy Boy's crossed safely into the middle. The fewer tacks, the better. Let's see how the dinghy's doing.